Day 43 of my body transformation. Oatmeal ang pre-workout meal natin for today. Magagamit natin yung carbs nito for our leg day routine. Nag-work lang ako saglit, then dumiretso na sa gym. I always use the stairs kahit may elevator. Warm up na din kasi to and dagdag calories burn na. Lower back friendly pala yung routine natin. Pero okay pa din to for leg development. First exercise natin is single leg extension. This is for the quads, yung front part ng hita. Next exercise is leg curls. For hamstrings naman, yung likod ng hita. Next is hip adduction for the adductor muscles, also known as inner thigh. Sunod naman ang hip abduction for glute development. After nito, hyperextension naman for lower back. May tama din to sa inner thigh and hamstrings. Last for legs is calf raise. Bodyweight lang ang gamit ko, then tinataasan ko na lang yung reps. Then, I do planking for 1 minute, 2 sets lang. Then, sundot ng pull-ups para na din ma-stretch yung spine. Then, I do static stretching. Sciatica pala yung lower back issue ko, kaya umiiwas ako sa squats and deadlift. Post-workout meal natin is chicken breast, egg, mixed veggies, and rice. Another productive day for us. Nakapag-workout tayo and nakakain na maayos. Dahan-dahan man, pero tuloy-tuloy tayo sa progress natin. Yan na muna ngayon, bukas ulit.